Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install any Android application or APK to your Windows 7 laptop or PC. First, go to this URL link and then just select here product ID and then paste this code. I will include the code and link from to my description, so you can check it. So scroll down, make sure you will choose the latest version. So right here I will right click here. I will just click right click and save link as, then save. So you will now see the file is downloading, and after that you will now go to right here. If you click this one, it's not right, so we will go to PowerShell. Just open PowerShell and make sure run in the administrator. Copy path and then paste it here, then press enter. Right here we just need to wait to finish the installation. And then after that just close it here, and we're now going to open the Windows subsystem for Android, and then make sure to open this developer mode. Then we can go back to WSA Pacman, then turn it on. Just click continue and then click yes. Then let's allow this ADB debugging. So let's allow this, and then okay, just finish and connected successfully. So you can now install any Android application or APK or like this Aurora Play Store. Just download and install any APK. This Aurora Store is alternative Play Store, so we can download any latest application here. So just grant all the access. Okay guys, we're finished here, so make sure you like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, feel free to share this video. And thank you so much guys, and see you on the